guys, and welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina, and today we are here at Stories, the brew chapter, where they've opened up a brand new brewery at BTM Layout. Some of the things we're super excited to try are the delicious food, as well as some amazing cocktails that look absolutely Instagrammable. They're also going to be releasing their beer soon, so we can't wait for that. So let's go and try it out. They've got these amazing Korean-style chicken wings, as well as a bit more of the South Indian flavors with these Mangalorean prawns. They've also got some absolutely delicious garlic bread. We also can't wait to try out delicious cocktails. So we just enjoyed an absolutely amazing meal at Stories, the brew chapter. Social media addicts, you'll absolutely love the interiors of this place. It looks just like Avatar. We also really enjoy the cocktails that are super well balanced, as well as extremely Insta-worthy. One of the things we enjoyed about the food was, although there are Western items on the menu, they do have an Indian influence. For example, the chicken roulade had a butter chicken curry, as well as the ravioli, which had an achari vegetable filling. So if you're looking for a place in BTM Layout to head to that has great ambiance, super cocktails, and a soon-to-be brewing brews, then you know where to go. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, as well as follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry.